Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to change language in Chatgpt. If you are looking to communicate in a different language or want to experiment with multilingual chat, then you are in the right place. So let's dive in and explore the steps to change the language in Chatgpt. First of all, navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password, and then press continue button to log in. Step 1. Type in your message. Type in the message you want to translate in the chat box. Step 2. Add the language command. To change the language, you need to add a specific command before or after your message. The command for language change is / plus the word translate, followed by the language code for the language you want to translate to. For example, if you want to translate your message into Spanish, you would type / plus translate before or after your message. Step 3. Receive the translated message. Once you've entered the command, ChatGPT will automatically translate your message into the language you specified. The translated message will appear in the chat box. Step 4. Continue the conversation. You can continue the conversation in the translated language, or you can check back to the original language by entering the translate command, followed by the code for your original language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in ChatGPT. Now, you can communicate with people in any language you choose. That's it for this tutorial on how to change language in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in comments section below. See you soon.